We continue to look at problems involving uniform velocity. But before we go on, there's something I want to bring to your notice. When they say an object moves with a uniform velocity, acceleration becomes zero. Because we define acceleration as the rate of change of velocity. So if there's no change in velocity, if it's constant, the acceleration becomes zero. So let's look at this problem. A body of mass 2 kg undergoes a constant horizontal acceleration of 5 meters per second square. Calculate 1. The resultant force acting on the body. 2. What will be the resultant force on the body when it moves with a uniform velocity of 10 meters per second? So let's look at its solution. We have two questions here. The first one, and let's look at the parameters. The first one, we are given mass 2 kg and acceleration as 5 meters per second square. We're asked to calculate the resultant force. So using the formula, F is equal to ma. So we can get the resultant force, which is equal to 2 times 5, which is 10 Newton. Then the second one, what will be the resultant force when the body moves with a uniform velocity? Like I said earlier, when the velocity is uniform, or we say the velocity is constant, then the acceleration becomes zero. So for the second one, calculating the resultant force, in this case, we are given the velocity, when we move with a velocity of 10 meters per second, so it implies that acceleration becomes zero. So we can say that F is equal to ma, and the mass is 2 times the acceleration is 0, which is equal to 0 Newton.